Alright, so what we got here is a BMW X5 2007 installed with a factory style reversing camera on the original system. Right, so the camera is right there, nice and small, you can't even see it. It's all done on the original iDrive system on the vehicle. So it has the old iDrive on here. It is not working properly, but the camera system will still work. So I'm putting it to reverse, and there you go. Your sensors get overlaid on the top right. So this car does have front parking sensors as well as rear, and also the moving guidelines is car dependent. Some vehicles it will work, some vehicles it will not. Nice and clear. And when you take it out of reverse, it shows you your original sensor display. If you want this integrated on your vehicle, on your BMW X5, see the link down below for more information. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.